Hi everyone, welcome to Ladies Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today, ready for you, I've got a beautiful dance flow following the music of Sora and Bebe. It's gonna be jazzy, it's gonna be different, it's gonna be fun. I also wanted to say a special thanks to Ballet Rosa for providing us with the beautiful leotards I'm wearing in the videos. And if you want to know more and you want to know where to get them, check the box below for the links of Dancewear Corner. And if you're now ready to dance, find a space in your home and let's dance flow it. And breathe. Up, up. Turn the palms up, down. Run up. And go again. Turn the palms out. Nice and juicy. One more time. Stay there, push and push, wriggle. Very good. Again and push. Soften the knees. Go plie. Lift, down and up and down. Lift, down. Down, stay there, 2 first. Push. Pop the heel. Push. Push. Very good. A few more. Arms go up. And second, same thing, down, and down, down, down. Very good. Arms go up, and you go side to side. Core engaged. Vertebra. And stretch, recover, other side, and sink it down, recover, open, tendu side, tendu, in, tendu, in, breathe. Transfer weight. Down. Down. Find your friend on the floor. Unlayer. Take it back. Take it forward. Close at the leg. Down. Wave. Twist of the upper body. Take it back. Take it forward. Side. One. Floor. One. Unlayer. Attitude front. Other way. Lean onto it without weight. on the leg and attitude. To the back. One, whoosha. One, and left. Take it forward. Take it back. Very good. Other side. And sha. One, and left. Take it forward. Please. Again. And point. Faster. Cha. Come on, little Jazzy. Swings at the side. And swing. And swing. And 5, 6, 7. Again. Cha. 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 7 and forwards. Down, down. And back. And forward. And back. Very well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that. If you want the full workout, come and check out Lazy Dancer Studio. Otherwise, I'll see you here next Wednesday on YouTube. Ciao, guys.